I guide you to change YouTube handle name on mobile. For that, firstly, let's hop into the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on you, which means your profile, and I'm tapping on here. After opening there, you could tap on the view channel option, which is below your channel name. So let's tap on that, and it will take some moment for loading. After that, you need to tap on this pencil icon, which is beside the manage videos. So I'm tapping over there. Here you could see the handle which is below the name. From there, let's say I can tap on edit. So here I don't need that handle. So let's say I'm tapping on Mina, and that will be recommend some name here. So I can try this one. So let's say I'm tapping on here. And after that, if you tap on save, that will be visible to all your users on YouTube. And remember, you need to follow the community guidelines and the best practices. And you can change handle back within the 14 days, twice within every 14 days. You need to remember this. So you need to tap on save here, and that could be saved over there. Here you could see handle and the channel URL has been changed. This is how you could change YouTube handle name on mobile. Thank you.